Hello and welcome to another Tax Tip Tuesday. Last week, we learned of different filing requirements for people who own a small business and or are self-employed. This week, we are going to answer the following question. What if my address has changed or will change after filing my taxes? Whether you have an address change or are expecting a change, it is important to communicate this with the IRS, especially if you opt to have your returns mailed to you and not direct deposited. The process for locating an answer to this question is simple. Begin by locating the IRS homepage by typing www.irs.gov in the web address field of your preferred browser. Next, type Change of Address in the search field, which is located near the top right of the web page, and click the magnifying icon. By clicking the option labeled Address Change, we are provided with a list of methods for notifying the IRS of your recent address change. One method is to contact the IRS support team by phone and notify them orally. You will be required to provide your full legal name, old and new address, as well as your social security number. Another method is to complete a Form 8822 or Form 8822B for businesses. It is recommended that taxpayers pay special attention to the instructions provided alongside the Form 8822, as this will clear up any further questions or uncertainties that you may have. Thank you so much for tuning in, and although this week's video was short, I hope you learned something that will boost your confidence this tax season. I'll see you next week.